Hi guys, for this video we will discuss about dairy farming business, dairy farming itself. What is dairy farming? Dairy farming is a unique type of business. It has many challenges. It is quite different from the other industry. Farming is a tough job. It can also have a positive that makes farming a little bit easier compared to the other industry. But now guys, we will discuss the positive and challenges in dairy farming. So positive and challenges of dairy farming. So here are the positive side and here are the challenges. So first, what is the positive of dairy farming? First is we have only one product, so which is the milk. Having this with one product, we can be more focused and producing good and high quality of milk. Okay? So what is the challenges naman? What is our challenges? So we also have one customer. So our customer is the milk company, or they are the processor. So marami ang milk company in New Zealand. We're just talking about in New Zealand and we're talking about my own experience. So this is a challenge. As a farmer, you are the supplier, remember? So as supplier, you have only one customer, which is the milk company. So that is a challenge. So number 2, positive, is one customer. Positive side on that is simpler, one contact, constant, because just the same customer, you don't need to deal sa ibang customer. You can focus on meeting the compliance as well kasi isa lang eh. So that is a positive side. So second challenge is one product. So challenge dahil isa lang ang product namin, we cannot diversify. So we cannot diversify, we cannot produce any product. Kasi our customer, we have a contract, we have an agreement that we will supply the milk to them. So we cannot make another product from that. So that's a challenge. So number 3, this is a one set milk specification. Meaning, we need to achieve the milk quality standard of our customer, which is the milk company. If that is company A, company B, depends which company you are supplying. So I'm just talking in general. So I'm not promoting any. So because this is one set milk specification na kailangan nating i-meet. So, yung quality and the compliance. So, positive side kasi isa lang, only one. So, dun lang yung focus mo. You don't need to think other things on this side. So, ang challenge on this side is the price. Having one customer, they are the one who dictate price from the customer. Magsiset siya ng farm gate price kay supplier, which is siya si farmer. Okay? So, si farmer, walang control. Hindi siya makapagsabi na ito yung gusto kong price. This is the price because I am producing this milk. It's like that, the quality. So, hindi. Si farmer, magdidepend siya sa price na i-dictate ni customer, which is si customer naman, nakadepende siya sa global market. Ngayon, challenge yun sa dairy farming. So, number 4 positive side is hindi namin kailangang magbenta. No selling, no marketing, no advertising. Because the customer, which is the milk company, will pick up our milk. This is a 24 hours milk collection. So, you don't need to worry kung kailan kukunin yung milk mo. You don't need to worry kung anong oras. So, darating lang si milk tanker. Everything is computerized. Technology is ginagamit. So, you don't need to worry. So, that is a positive side. Hindi mo kailangang mag-alala how much volume. So, everything is not a trap. They are using the best technologies. And yung honesty. So, number 4, sa challenge naman. Ano yung challenge? Ito ang malaking challenge in dairy farming is the weather. As you know, in New Zealand, we have 4 seasons. So, ito yung autumn, ang winter, ang spring, and summer. Bakit ito mga naging challenge sa dairy farming? So, during autumn, ito ay marami ng nearly dry off. So, the volume of the milk is pababa na. And then, during winter, ito yung dry off. Only few farms are having milk during this time. Only the split calving. Pero, mostly of the farmer, nagda-dry off talaga sila. So, during dry off, no income. So, that is a challenge. So, during spring, high volume of milk. So, quality pasture. So, anong challenge naman dyan? Of course, this is the time we need to save the surplus. This is the time also to plan. So, it's still a bit of a challenge during springtime for farmers. And during summer, depend talaga kung it is a drought. So, kailangan early dry off. More supplement. So, high cost. That's why it is a challenge. Although we are not selling, we are not no marketing, we don't need to worry. But the challenge is the weather. So, yan ay isang challenge in dairy farming. So, another positive in dairy farming is you don't need to compete. No competition. Meaning, kasi wala talagang competition kasi global market ang mag-dictate ng price. no price negotiation. So as a farmer, I don't need to compete to my co-farmer, not about pricing, about pricing. We just go on the pricing because that is common in dairy farming, because you are selling, because you are producing goods like milk. So no competition. I don't need to compete to my neighbor, na yung neighbor ko mas mataas yung tinda niya ng milk, so I don't have that. Kasi the customer, sila naman yung nagbebenta ng gatas natin. Sila yung sinusuplayan natin. So yan ay positive on that side. Kaya nang sabi ko, mayroong nakaset. Farm gate price. Which is dito nagdidepend na ang ating budget. So ano naman ang challenge? Ang challenge dito is the economic landscape. So, ano yung economic landscape na sinasabi? So, gaya ng sabi ko, no problem in marketing, no problem on selling, hindi na tayo mag-spend sa mga advertising kasi hindi naman tayo yung direct na nagbebenta, we just supply. So, ang challenge, because we are depending on the global market price. So, kung anong ibibigay na price sa atin, wala na tayong magagawa doon. So, yun ay isang challenge. So, number 6, I'm just talking guys on my own experience, which is, I think, marami ding makaka-relate sa inyo. And number 6, dairy farming is a repetitive. So, dahil repetitive ito, mamamaster mo siya katagalan, and you can be more profitable, and you can be more, like I said, dairy farming is a promising job, although it is a tough job. It is a repetitive, so if you start no experience and then later you gain more experience, you gain more learning, you attend more seminars, trainings, schooling, study, and on the job itself, you can continue to develop, you can continue to improve, and you can continue to be evolved. So that is a positive side of dairy farming. So what is another challenge from here? One challenge here is a political landscape. We consider this because all the compliance, we are following all the rules, so it depends on this aspect. And another thing is the environmental compliance. So nowadays, talagang high standard ang mga compliance that we need to meet, na hindi makaka-apekto sa ating environment, na yung environment natin is na pre-prevent pa rin natin, na proprotektahan natin, hindi masyadong ma-pollute, and talagang yung pag-take care natin sa ating mga natural resources ay talagang naaalagaan natin. So, importante dito yung involvement talaga ng team if you are in this industry. And another is the social. Of course, we consider the community. So, importante yan in dairy farming. And last but not the least is the welfare. Yung welfare, animal well-being, welfare ng people who are working in this industry. So, those are the challenges. Like I said, nowadays, compliances on these aspects are very talagang pinapatupad, and talagang they are very strict, at ang mga standard talaga nila is high level. So I think guys, these are just few positive and challenges of dairy farming, which is, I think this is a very exciting. Isa siya sa part na as a dairy farming, if you are very dedicated, you are very serious in what you are doing, dairy farming can be a promising as well. But like I said, it may be tough, but like I said, it can be a little bit easier compared to the other industry. Thank you guys for watching this short video. I hope you are inspired. So these are just a little bit of idea. These are all based on my experience, because I'm in the dairy farming industry for, not long, but the experience that I gained from the start and until now, I can still develop and evolve, like I said. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you.